Have you ever paused to ponder about how solar panels work? How the sun's energy, a mere beam of light, transforms into electricity to power our homes, our cities, our world? It's an intriguing concept, isn't it? A solar panel, in essence, is a device that captures sunlight and converts it into electricity. But how does it achieve this? It all starts with the most fundamental components of a solar panel: solar cells. These cells are typically made from silicon, a semiconductive material that's also found in sand. Imagine each solar cell as a sandwich, having two layers. The top layer is designed to be electron-rich, while the bottom layer has fewer electrons. This creates an electric field between the two layers. The sunlight, which consists of photons, strikes the surface of these solar cells. When this happens, it excites the electrons in the silicon atoms, causing them to move and create an electric current. This is the process of converting solar energy into electrical energy. The electricity produced by solar panels is direct current or DC. However, most of our homes and appliances use alternating current or AC. So how do we solve this mismatch? The inverter transforms the DC electricity generated by the solar panels into AC electricity, making it suitable for everyday use. Now that we understand how a solar panel works, let's reflect on the crucial role it plays in renewable energy. Solar energy is a clean, renewable source of power. Unlike fossil fuels, which are finite and cause pollution, the sun provides a virtually unlimited supply of energy that's environmentally friendly. Solar panels, therefore, serve as an essential bridge, enabling us to harness this abundant resource. They offer an effective solution to reduce our carbon footprint and combat climate change. Furthermore, solar panels are a cost-effective method of generating electricity. After the initial investment, the cost of maintenance is relatively low. And with the sun as your energy source, you're not subject to fluctuating fuel prices. In conclusion, understanding the science behind solar panels unveils the elegance of this technology. It's not merely about producing electricity, it's about capturing a tiny fraction of the sun's power and putting it to work. This is the marvel of solar panels, an essential cornerstone in our transition towards a greener and more sustainable future. Thank you for joining us on this exploratory journey into the world of solar panels. Stay tuned to Fix Flare Tech, where we continue to delve into the fascinating world of technology and engineering. This is MQ Joshi, signing off until our next tech adventure.